Petrovit ühe korra nägite ja rahvas soovib teid näha veel. Kui rahvas jõuab, siis rahvas peab saama Petrov stuudios teist korda teie ees. Aga seda siis tantsuga Party Anthem. Nemad osalesid laste vanuseastmes hip-hop dance ja street fusion kategoorias. Selle tantsu on loonud Alles Blank ja Richard Kask, nemad ka juhendasid ja loomulikult kiiduväärt, et ka laste tantsudest on pääsenud tants siia superfinaali. Petrov ja Party Anthem.
I can make money from the comfort of my sofa. So much drive, so much drive, now I gotta get it straight. I can make money from the comfort of my sofa. So much drive, now I gotta get a chauffeur. One day I'll be big, but I know I'm getting closer. Call me Denzel, aka Big O. The world in my hands, cause I took it off the shoulder. Money on my feet, you know I got it from lower. I'm ballin' like Mike when you see him on a poster. Like, yeah, they gotta get one in my holster. Straight. Go around and catch a hot one to your team. Ain't shame but the number on my front door. What you think I brought the strap for?